25 degrees.
Up like that, no? Like Titanic.
For both Monday and
Right?
Tuesday. Highs in the low
Not really
20s.
Titanic, but...
Currently, we're at 15 degrees in Aldergrove, and it's 16 degrees in New Westminster.
Traffic and weather brought to you by City TV.
How do you talk like that? I can. What is that?
It's your chance to apply for Canada's
You're
Got
right.
Talent. The
Both
only
of
television
them.
show where everything
Is it the radio or just them?
Apply now at
You have like
citytv.com.
stuff in news.
1130 Insider exclusive.
Insiders, enter online to win a $1,000 gift card to Reza Saatchi Fine Jewelry. Reza Saatchi Fine Jewelry in West Vancouver. Affordable luxury.
Become an insider at citynews1130.com.
Funded by CapitalDirect.ca.
Are you right there?
Line by Capital Direct allows you to take only what you need when you want it.
It's 11:24. And now a minute with Bill Good on News 1130. My favorite tweet this week.